The kitchen, the dining room, the living room are one big open area. The farm home, with 125 acres and the option to buy more, sits back from the road. 309 Westford Hill Road is a one-owner property. The appliances stay in the sale. They're all black. The cabinets are a hardwood. The ceiling's vaulted. There are 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and there's a lot of walk-in closets. Here's your front door, although you won't get many trick-or-treaters. Vinyl flooring in the dining room and kitchen. There's a commercial carpet in the living room. A laundry in a storage closet are on the end off the garage. The home is 60 by 30. There's a double garage attached where you come in on the laundry room. There's another garage on the lower level. So to recap, you come in off the garage, you have a laundry room, you have a dining room, there's multi-zone oil hot water heat. In the basement there's radiant heat. Let's go down the hall. Bedroom number 1 with a walk-in closet. Those windows, the glass faces east, so this bedroom gets a lot of morning sun. Bedroom number 2, shared by 2 boys. 2 more windows on the east side. It too has a walk-in closet. Everything has its place. Everything's organized. These children are being raised right. Here's the 3rd bedroom, unless you decide to add more down in the 9-foot tall ceilinged basement. The master bedroom. What a view from those sliders that are on the west side. There's a private bath. It has a jet tub and a double oversized shower. All tiled. This has a western view too, from Westford Hill. Let's head through the kitchen, dining, living room, and go down to the basement, the finished one. This is what you look at outside of your dining room. This gets the afternoon sun. There's not one view, it's every direction. The basement has sliders too. Nine-foot ceilings, radiant heat. This is where you expand if you don't want just a rec room for the kids. There's a half dozen windows. There's sliding glass doors to access the outside. This could almost be an apartment for your mother-in-law. If 3 bedrooms, 2 baths is not enough, this is where you add more bedrooms, an apartment, a home office to telecommute. That's your home. Let's check the outbuildings, the rest of the farm. This is the lower level garage. Look at the supports, the I-beams. It's nice to have an extra garage for a shop. Woodworking, restoring an old car, hobbies, or it's the farm that gets all your energies. Or this could be made into more living space. How do you want to use this farm? Your kids can have their own private basketball court. This will sharpen the skills. You're set back from the road. It costs about $30,000, and that's why a lot of places don't do it. Canada is not very far away. The pastures are fenced. You may decide to turn them into fields, not pastures.